All right, this video is just to introduce today's lesson. Again, to navigate stuff, since it's early in the semester, we're still figuring it out. For distance learners, even in class, we'll do some stuff on Schoology, but mostly just find the week we're on here. And we are on Wednesday, September 9th, so just click inside that folder, and then just complete these tasks in order, right? For today, it's kind of a mixed bag. It's technically kind of team building, some syllabus stuff, but I kind of got a few different things. So you're watching this overview video right now. The next up is just a short video explaining a little bit about what computer science is and why it's important. That'll be number 2. Third thing is to learn about the syllabus. So instead of just giving you a bunch of information, you're going to look stuff up on our class sites. You'll need to navigate around in here to find our syllabus and then complete these quiz questions right here, number 3. And then you can watch a video with the answers to them. And I would encourage you to watch it even if you know the answers, just to get some extra information in there. Right, and then these are your two truths and a lie. I took them as long as you sent me the correct answer. I made them into a Kahoot. And so in class, we'll probably be playing it live. And for those of you that are at home, I gave you a pin to play. And the pin right now is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because I haven't made the Kahoot yet. I need to get all your information first. And I'm making this video prior to school starting, so I don't have it. So just know this pin will change later, and you'll use the actual pin that's there. And then the final thing I have for you is just I want to show you what you're able to do in this class. So if you click on this link, this will take you to a bunch of final projects that students made in previous years. So it'll give you kind of an idea of what you'll be able to do by the end of the class. The tough part about this is they don't run on Chromebooks, so you're going to need to be using a computer. In class, you'll have access to the MacBooks, but if you're at home, you need a Mac or a PC that's not a Chromebook. So just to show you what that looks like, if you click inside of here, you can see all the ones that people have made in the past. And so I'm just going to see if I can find one of my favorite ones here. Here's one from Wyatt Oldenburg. So you got to click it, and it might like warn you that it's trouble because it doesn't like .jars, could be like virus files or something. But these are all safe. I've played them on my computer and stuff. So even if it gives you a warning about it, just say, nah, I'm fine. So you'll download it. And once it downloads, you just click on it to run it, and you'll be running a Java program that one of my previous students made. Let's see if I can get Wyatt to load up here. So he made this tunnel run game. It's like kind of like a shoot the target game. It loads. Okay, so I couldn't get Wyatt to work there, so I'm just doing a different one from a student named Megan. Play yes, and so she made like the start of Brick Breaker. It's running a little slow on my computer here, but it's even got a little noises of it. So that was just a basic game that she had made for her final project, right? And there's all different levels of them. Encourage you around and look around. There's some pretty neat ones. It really depends on how much time and effort you want to put into it, but just kind of give you a sense of what you'll be able to do by the end of the year. So play around in that. Not a critical thing if you can't quite get it working, but it is kind of fun to just see the different things that people make. All right, that is it. Thanks for watching.